Tutual luak mauno neno we ila kwe TV anameti ya julu tutual kiwana tiani kuno lok mawatiga lokone tiani no kape gima ono mire peo bed bo tutual an machala didi ben atamani umiri lok mawambe nyuaka kaka enini nyuako pidaki hamoma nok tutual dong loko bena peduong kirmone ane ena kita tikere
Acholi pikuste, merongena acholi pikuste. Acholi pitemme, merongena acholi pitemme. Acholi pikuste, merongena acholi pikuste. Acholi pitemme, merongena acholi pitemme.
Sending love to my motherland, a beautiful place in Africa. They love like a family, but please don't step out our toes now. We are the elephants. Oh yes, I know we can.
Tutual luak mauno neno we ila kwe TV uno tamani ngo kikuma matini wanu watika loye atano mana ini pier tek tutual tini kong wanu wanyamu yuwa kakenwa awe kwanyo ngo kikuma wanu watika loye piene lutua jemene kima uno neno kere paparatie yung ka paparatie loketika man an abino botu kun amir ni wanyamu lok polkar ana kero lok mano man jeme mano gudu kom kaka amegwa macharo lepachel pa miro wajne ni kwa kanyo luo achuri kon ngage ni keken piano wane andong kirmani ankere wan gudu kos wan pachel chi kadong watiga lok in wa lok mele bada kwa lok mama pat ena gen mukele an ka kantini dong la bom balokar lutua ye waya lok kamaleng piani ikir mauno an kiana kere ayupa kere me birum botu na mira lok manok ken entro pi lok mo kere manotie ma pier tek twal ye wa ana donya ti nyag luon la dit ben man la kwe TV kidong bene ma pat eneni lutua mira waj botu ni Acholi province mano ene team me to dire madit pi Acholi province an baj pamegi mai kar mukarangech no wan tiga kere achara la joglim bot Acholi province piane dano pao giworo gicher kere kabot piny mapapat enuni kigumarach uno peko ma peko le enuni lok machan maguri malupe ki liech ma ongolo guri tiomio accident enunu nunge ma anakelo botulok enu kiwiati ma angene won jomo kene dong bero neno nya ngo ke ko ma ano twala wiatini ti mon enun kono do tian kwan ma ono kitika chiero ma ono go chiero go ki yup me tua ma gen go chiero ikaber me entebe man gan kwan me favor of god um primary school now favor of god wan wange mabe ni favor of god ti man dul madet ma gitiki gan kwan gen gitiki kanicha gitiki radio station again no goyobo yop me wat paletino macher kaneno piny kod piny mapapar tigi go marach ipeko mogo ma oberotie omiyo again gono wanu iguri do awano li enuni amera jing chunyulu tua piani jo ario tutwalle ene guno awano matek tutwal man ene driver kachel ki co-driver mano gen go bera nyim machalo deputy head teacher me gankwan me favor god primary school ena gi kicher guno wano yario ni piane ikar magen go koeliech ti raya duchu me nyim mutaka o onye chuporo ikom wangi mokero ngoro kom gi mokero ngoro wangi mokero kaber mapapa maraya wana dano ununge mabe maraya kitmano wana kene dano ti ene yo wano gi kidong lutino kwan mokene magwa onyogo yo wigi ki ngagi le gene bene red mo marach twal peke gen duju kichiero kikergi kichwal gi odiat bien ikar mauno dong awano le enono time favor of god chwalo minibus mamegi magen polkar gen gitiu kere me kwango lutino dwako gi kikelo gi gan kwan yen guchwalo bach ma meki chu gamo lutino kicho dujo mago wane kichwalo gi odiat la cho man ene ye gin ma cher sitime ki wang tieno ma ile war niendo e piario ya bero tutua ang'eyo ni koni obi penyo wiwu tutwal pieni lok me title kikome bere kape gigonyi maber you may think ng'at mochwani is actually confused chi lok eno ni peti kameno eno miyo anachwe kamen piana mieta tu lok me awano mati actually province kidong lok madong tie the confused of the confused kidong lok kom KD Kristo an mera chel ma en kumino eno yakeo macharo ng'achel ma omire en i tota matek tutwal ikien maneno ni yaro deu ba kamente nyogwa ki joma giti kamente man KD Kristo eno ni man en lok matie ma an tieni kiwano tiene abe nywako loke chia kelo boto kakany ang'eni wun jomo kene bene oneno lok mozele the champion loko Ozele in my own opinion Ozele Kombidini is a very reformed person an amira wachu lok mozele loko weng ka wun winyu kware Ozele loko tiako weng Yano zere rada konu en winyo lock ono kopeti kama enti yeni. I have people who actually really wanted to support Zele. And because of behavior po Zele, Jone egoni wengo a gutu nyomot go a gutiero. Piano gutamane Ozele tiki talent, a rare talent. Pian any pe talent machingi one wangeni, a rare talent. Mauno kiramo chwalo Ozele gwakonyo bene chamo kene chiaro kitma luwer giti Nigeria luwer giti kwerni ono kikit lok machame ini no en bene il rom me kwa ma mege kitma en kwa kene so dano ma ono giti willing me konyo Ozele yo madwa ta me yupo gen wote ki neno ni Ozele mero chere pot piny ma papa no bene tie en to pikit konyo kitma en kwa ber ka dio en chu ber ka ye jeme mogo me miyo ama tela tiyu kere ni man eno mere in kere yet angare kere lok kamana kom ngare omiyo cher se balo man karia Ozele mana ate lok me karia pen ka lok ma cham lok ma cham ber no talent dong talent ber ka che o la kermo da karia ma mege si eno miyo anate lok man chumio maharo maturity ma en kobedo bino kere piene ka uno neno maber tua lok Ozele lok la chogi come mio tam che come KD Kristo don KD Kristo germo mia ana kere lok inini piene beru chalo omere kitiel kware piena na ng'iyo chamo kwa doko tek tutwal kwa padano madong diet mano chao kene gwakonyo bene dakono tenyo like no chao kene gwake in pe tiga beri kuomo mayor twal gamo bene pere very large like that is the thing so hape kichung kirechua it becomes difficult and we are boy karma eno logo kom an kachel ki father Eric nero chawachini no maybe people should actually stop. Yan no don't karo ke miana we ata kon lo karache kon do ko lapo timeni ning kon ngai lepe gen one better tuong mera ta chira why like this is something we cannot do it pe wo pero ka chiara lo ma yer timata nga gele no yan an personally para mo kwer ni dong ni la tena ngaro mo piana dong raj mada para mo yer ne piana dong lik mada there's a way it's very exceptional. I treat it as Berishal. I categorize it in gar gini. Jema mapegi nyerogi, Jema pegi nyerogi, like disability and all that. So I was trying to tell people ni ojana wonba atwero timbe peo ogene pe po chere lock enuni. See, man, I'm happy. I'm happy. To be honest, KD Kristo ka ininero lokale inini, and you should actually thank me. Ken ka ininero Roma no dano chako don yero kere mamani kono lunyoni ni kono nga gini ikoni ba ono don right. And by the way, I am personally so grateful. But uno tuju monero wa ila kwet TV kakany because one a year pile we are ever since a loko inini all of a sudden dano duju bede nero a comment section. In nero matter just the anger, but no one is actually there to insult. See, KD Kristo, no, Pegian Mon, Mere, Epo, and Piane, I feel like this is not even worthy, you know, it's not worthy. Pao Mere, yet in Pao Mere, because in Lanyori, in that way, in Lanyori, and Chamukene, Lutino, you know, can pay my papa, you know, Kadong, lock me lick and nga, yeah, do you get a year in Koranga, get in. But you know, how do they feel, you know, from their different schools, Mugwak and Gitienyo, from their different communities, again, living in it, you know. Yeah, in be no Latino Korkara, in be food, Bani, Kierway, Koi internet, right, you know, like it does not really come out. See, you should really thank me for that because I've seen Dano Magiti in the Machala kwa TV fans Merapu with well Nero Winyo Lock Doga and Joe Yato KD Kristo Mana in Yom Twin Tikere Komu Tuju Alegani American Twinya Chile Power Beru Wono Kitwin Metele Power Beru Wono Kitwin Mayet Anka Chala KD Kristo any sorry, an ka chal de ben ini pa tikit ke jomo ikom ke di kwiso. Yani en no tamni gwakonyo en dong eloko nok mo mabe mada, you know. So I don't want this to turn into something ma en kuna no tiga beru gulu, you know. But no very straight lawyer. Yani kiro father Eric be ma en lori kome. No en beri ti gulu kakany. So dano mano maro Father Eric, dano mano mala did ben, giti gulu ka kany, kadong in itio lok makama en te gwagi mo tim in. Okay, no, it is beyond our control. Ma en mera Mikel mera chala a disclaimer. Because pikir lok mano in loko pichar charo, mano pengi ngomo mere white kwene, it causes you problem. Now, si kache ner ngaro mo kono biro, chaka lok kama eno chaka timu gino mo, don't umi udwoy iri kono don't chwakio kono tim nini. That becomes beyond us. Anyway, that's why watika temani kubiri ini kwa chok dano wek pego bir ka yer. Pego bir a yer yen nyogwa pego tim gino mo. So KD Kristo kache gwa onyo ini tiki neno mabe usually because I win you can muzelo wai kero wai ni John ever ka chwa ko kono lo bella lo kono nga gini and you know get my tampa down on ticket combine lo bella lo and the rest of it kelli pero kelo mana in dogla mana pa actually the mono enemy tam tika mene bori jana dit ben ba meti a doga uroche matitiri kawachi lo inini donc our moving forward in yen yoni yen chenane kwa kiyo mama pat barkalo pa fada uma kap fada uma tika logo loke kimuzela wachini atawne imbe wek fada uma udog loke manen la tit palubama ki wira bene tikine wire kome makani no mon logo leb moy kumi do rachutwal da tamni ko wero eno gaka kenyo pada uma Eric yin meri kilo amigi nat moge ken mano gwak tiki tame mapat o mere ki temo gume ikom yen ero piem ki joma tiki ni wira kome pero yen marach tutwan man ina tawni ana wach kama leng wek pet ner mo geno mo time kom ngar mo ki chak waje ni kono tuj ki ngat tele ki ngat ma tiki ni wira bergen marach twal. Kadong wamete wachera nyim atamne lok pa KD Kristo ana jeo kika kenyu. Kuna miyo tamni omera nange mer ini luo ani au keyo. Kuna no in pe gere nera ne. Ya tamni in bere mak bere pian an pa ber dan malaming. Pijem moko machon ma in ber katim ne kar mukarange kono ngage ni ini an nandak ni ana bieno cha o yare kamaleng. KD Kristo no kotim gidi no kopino waje loke ini bara kono. No, I don't do those things. I'm way beyond that. I'm way level above that. And paramount mukine enoni. See, atawne man per textual ni I make this clear. Machari in KD Kristo. Timbe. Kai tiki na machima kapa gua kana ronya. Kai tiki yakamo ken bot an nyoki an machala na ditiben timbe ikupekera. Piane ana iner an inini. Ingeo Tatiana Wale and man Magaluma getting. Like I'm so shocked. I'm really overwhelmed by this. To be honest, I'm overwhelmed with this. Yani, Macha Ala did the band. I know I've done several things. I've probably done things that I even don't know that I did in the past. There are some that I did that I don't remember. Okay? But it has been to my shock, Tiano mama kwa makilungo gini get to youth. Nyokwa hagu, nyokwa kanga. They really appreciate me. They really appreciate me. Kimog again. I know I've not done so much for them, but they really appreciate the little I've done for them at all times. See, man konyo me wajineni. Yun mo again. Promote me. Mono one po ngeo kito time kere. But no kaki waiki tracing. How can it? It's because of being at the side of someone. That only KD Kristo in unity dano madidit. Mauno kumbiri ino mer beberi lodge ibed mera o kachiel ki family mamegi kachiel rate. Chi lok mog kan ma in lok no kore. Mane ini tam mi bori mana tam ne omeri ikere. Ikere bene chalo gen ma per jakadeda. Now, look dong ti matek. So, ana before look, ni ana mera share kamuken. Kumbiri ni ko look belero ki ko look ko nga ini. Look belero gili ini ana tamani. I even say this. Oof, it's painful, It's painful. It's painful that I have to say this, but lutua ununge mabeni jalan la di ben. Aberikin yo manak no machuli magober katota matek twal ni the issue of balalo ini kinena gitiyo ye. Dong ikina kenyo wabero ka konyo dana yo mapapat maduong bene ni lok mengom chwere mero gwak ngom. Chwere mero ti matek mene ane ngom amegi gwak. Oe wun jo muchung kachel kila diete ben kachel kila kwa TV menerne what matitiano in one wa donyo kere iken bachi mapapat kom what wale egoni wachero waper ka ponyo dana yo mapapat kit magwa not particularly personal attack mo gwakanyo kumbalalo, but also airing out activities nyo je marajo mabalalo ikatimone the community mamaipa. Si, chirika bedu watemule anone. Gini anone o siaro sikelu. Wage buora, siar sikelu. Waga yela kom an machala titi ben. Mao miwe en maana loko ni. Pangeo. Marco ndari winyi. He goy chim da. Dakatika loko kumbala. Dakatika loko kumbala loko. Kwa jini ngoko. You know, all these things are there. See, one what take a coil of mama anamera what you need to work at your nan ngak mon go on your ling ma pello hole yen mo no go petika timungian mon ma go wonu bero no mer timi eni go on your luar eto tau keni no tikinero ni kali en go on your big lok meto and the rest of it chipping up the oka money mano kena padibawa ngol yo lu robo para no go retim mo mai tawni pekeli wakta yo itim mo ba pengen go ni mo e winyi a ngado no accident go nya ngado nyo go mo ni go ngado ke chire ko yo all these things are possible. See, and ano loge bora le ego ni an atike Atieno madiet lo te mahapa cielo. Ci nga makone be kwa kalo tiena. Kado ngana pe kai. Neno. So these are the kind of questions that we would like to put across. Kamu karange jana pe kok kene ya lutua ukonya anchal de depend gira mo pe ana pe gichene. Ukonya kiri kin mama na ko timbe supporting an. Actually mama yepe. I know a few of you did. But one could be vertically peer debt to we of subscribers. People who follow Lakwe TV, people who don't pay a penny to get information. But no one still even feels like it's worth sacrificing Latichi and Mokira Matitidi to support Lakwe TV. Most of these things and Mawan Watika Team Nekaka any. If we are chosen to do the monetized kind of content, we would be there. We would probably do something. But as the band, and this should actually be something that transforms the community. And in most cases, that now the monetization, the support comes from you, the viewers. It comes from you. It does not come from the YouTube corner. Let me just admit this. YouTube, at the end of the month, yes, me or teacher and amount Kenya, but that money is not even enough. Like it just probably pays a few things, a few utilities, not even rent. Konga again, it does not do that. So kadong ana pino ma ana penyo loki botu yani a ujana lutua uchung kera antala depend a peki ken mo tel kora churi kute mo ero lokme ballalo lokme pero pa chuli aya tika terie kora la dit ben iya la cho ke kuma chung pe Acholi chung pe kaka. No one is there to support you to make sure ni chung pe kaka. See, I don't know whether we are just confused. We don't know what is happening. I even came, there was a time I was like, this is how you can support like Quet TV, Koronagi. Carmone, I honestly, I wanted to quit. I wanted to quit. I wanted to quit. But so many of you came. Depend where, Betty. You make sure you continue with it. Please make sure you continue with it. Please, Timbe, continue with this. I am professionally a social worker and I hold a bachelor degree. Mano mira cerca temo ti mo kika mo ngana, but I chose to do community transformation. Mano wona ye yo chung then we do this together. Kadang mir better monitoring spirit. Depend. You under name yeah. But we cannot comment. You one we cannot say what. We can just watch you one sided. Depend. We cannot live. We cannot comment. We cannot even just mere gonna be a member of Lakwe TV. We cannot do this. Don't do that. We have so many options at Lakwe TV. I always put my number. Let me even display it right now. I always put my number. And I say, please, guys, this is my number. You can support Lakwe TV. No one chooses to do it. Now, every evening I'm being trailed. I don't know even who is watching me right now and who is following me right now because of being near the chung. Now, getting back to our point, I don't need near money and I did the ben in a winnie don't. But there low look mama did the way I used to. What's me over where and I take the law. Not a year pay kaka yeba in a like a petiga yeg in any. So and pa take the law because a petiga yeg in any. So what do I do? I'm taking a tian matian, like I say. I pay anga mo in this era anga ma winyo yang ni men one na tini do gwa gene gwa la tino men la tino lieli mada mado gwa la tino kwa ma be giti kwa ma be wala pa yela in enemy is long gone you know so I cannot actually place my chest there for everyone and then at the end of the day no one is there. People will tell you, depend here again at 12. I want to kiri, and no one there supports you. See, kado winyo, an pa loko mo 12, loko balado. Oniang ni benatemo ya. Oniang benani, kwa na bena pierte. Bien di ben makwa, kidi ben muta, kidi ben magwa kanyo ke makamare bui. Mena mabe. Tamni, we all agree ni, di ben matika maleng, man all the time he brings us content. Malok mabejo. Is much better. Chumio and mera pu gera. Ento pero ngama choli to duongba. Pero ngama choli independent akiko loke acholi me diaspora ken en go nyoro ti ko loke. Nyugwak ne acholi magang ka ini gini mirre puching an mirre puching ini komching ki kome. Mapedak money anani ya rombe gwa konyo aka nen ko nga get loke line ka in chiwa achak mi la bole ki nyingi. Pe gwa ko ni ya ni gene ni gwa ko nyo wa rach Paul gi rambe dong no dong gu kwanya di beno anda kanya ko gwa ko dong gu kwanya la kwe tv anda kanya ko kono kwat yo ni dong nyo you know kido lele will but it's not like that. It's not like that. Dar maduong ikar mukarange gumio yaratam ni la did the band. Kade no ni ba actually don't ye konyi ko ba. Just switch the content. Leave. Actually will never support you. Just leave. Again, my team, just switch the content. I looked at it. I was like, this is not what I wanted. I thought maybe actually would come to understand that this is very important and we stand together. And what Timu Gini do you actually support. We do the mindset change. We do the attitude change. We do the behavioral change. In normally, ki kampala nyugwa la nyugwa. But I get center ki chahoda. De kong de tim ki mo kong. Dong dong ke will wa kamo. Pede wa non. Like those are the kind of behaviors. Mano kauno wala. Mapela tien ubi matigi kero mauno romu pu mape winyu ko ni gwa nyo tigi pera mo me kore kono pera ko me chernge ko ngagi ni ki diku ti chiero isenta ka kur ngamo bi wile ko. If that was the idea, if that is the mentality, ma wa chero wa chero scrubbing off, then we reinstate, we reinstall a different thing. Ana tigi ka ber mogo kada kiri wala mer mo madong ber ka mano. Dong pe ilo wa wiye mara. Ya ne anyo ki wajo mer por ni di bena yo bieno. Dong ber pe yela. Because ngene abe wajo lep mo ma be we. That is already part of the mindset change, attitude change, the behavioral change. Yani en mana neno ini gwara ini ki gangi bino i center man kenyo no ingene ngamo bi wili ko. If we don't start facing some of these realities, some of these facts, we shall continue to see useless members of the community. Useless youth. What do you mukeno lam? Nero. Tika lew. Kila tien. Tika lew. Kila tien. You know. So it becomes so annoying. Sorry, like so annoying. That your money. Itamni umir bela chogang. Yo bedam tie kidiro shan. Bino. Ena idak bene buar kom kila tien matitiri. Ya ni nonka ber pian la tien matitiri ni. Gwanyo tiki chiana mon makoni cha mo bino yabonga. Bino yabo. Bino cha wilo ko. This is the community we have. And this is what actually triggered me. What mugino mo pepajo. Let's change the mindset. Kanon de bena wara cher gang. Ma ikin gang kunu. What I do is telling them the truth. Nera mo yang onope mara. Edi yung nyang la chen ni ya. Latin berak kar no logo da. Pian lo dir lo wirgu waini ya. Jal. Ini ner tin la tena edo waj. Beba. Era ida ono mir da won la. Kaber mo. Nera ke come ma do mir wachni aten bien we kam ke gwen ke dokkere di obe dung dung kaka ini dong ka tu cha ber ke ko no ke ngagi ni ya wa nera mo mutimo ien yan ngi char an ma char dano mano atam tam ma ti mano wije tie wi mano wi malo mapa aneno kid tim kid wija tatani ador wat twal nyo mere in ma char no in nera ikir ma don kira ngeo no in tu jolo an ben pe jolo an te ko ijolo an beno don kai te ko no de bor ben te ko wa la ten wa chet gang o ke wa chet gang o gang en ni dek mor ma tie ni ko don ki to o ke chamo gwen mor ma tie ni ki ma o ke u wat kere ki twe ti ene o ko cha me wat o ke ka dong ki kit ma pinyo don ke ni no an ma chalo do ke ta wa ni nera ni to nera ki kome ba mana ina ye won la ki kome anda cha yu pe pinera mogo ko non ana miyo chene nyogwa ana yubu gin mo mano ana wor kere mano tit lo gweno ma ena miyo barane tien kirio nyokide mano no kwa makien mano charo wana chule mirwa and these are the things mano o dragging and why ni the ben team content he level actually this is the only way you're going to transform your community. But the community does not want to support the band to do this. One joke can uti ulany mape walonyo mape memet. Kage winyu chiena winya ma unu tikere. But no one will actually share idea to the band. Yeah, tatien nyogware omera nyogwak wude. Ke kauno ini timo gin makaman. Ang'eyo ni gin ma yelo in en achient. Ai bero ka timo gin makaman. Onoko itimo gin mabejo mapetuko i Acholi. Tokeno lony mapedong tuko. Mukene local kakany ba? Mukene tigo hotels madongo. Mukene watigo wagi gang mo kagene gang pero mo. Mukene tigo facilities madongo. Mukene tigo UN. Mukene kono tigo kono ngo. Tiki chienta. Baka odori lok me rocho pajo nyokwak yopo gang. An kone kikena. Kone kiwinyo. An kone kikena. Actually. Depend kone lonya. Kone unu berka miye chien ki depend lonya. Ano temo jema duong. Jema duong na ana temo. Wala ko kwa padano. Lok mo kena mana kilo manu ini nero dano ti pero. Kilo lok eneni. Depend. Unero ngaro money. Kena money en. Kochi tim gena kama ini. Kochi tim. Ero depend be bien penyo kiri wa chilling piera big. Peki be mio. Giben ya penyo equipment. Amira lok equipment ini. Amira lok ke yena ana. Lutua ana periki equipment, a periki kamera, a periki ngo in okonyo tiel kwara wek oro to ayele. Anga mo piano. Anga mo piano. Ana periki chente. Kauna tiki chene no pa penye chene botu. Ono pa lok mo yani kitiel ko la kwe TV. Kauna ni ya chene tie. Kauna te tiuti cha community. Kauna te tielo ko community. Wala bon penye ne botu. Then I could do it if I had the money. Chi, ana mera waj man. Loka liep. Bien bi o karmo. Kiro un jo kendo bichane ala dit ben ki wila. An pa wile. Kai piem chwal ngar mo kong kichiane me bien ka wila. Chi bi no reporter. Ka jemi pi kakana. A wile. Ero ka kama ana neno ni achuli pe chung ket an. Achuli pe ramo chung ki an. Tutuaka ayela guak. Family na mafut. Tiri tutuali. An machal depend. Imirna ana mira nywa lo chala chuli. Pa nywa tweka en man ki pimu ki gile en. Tiana dek dong no mira anda bete wewe. La company power welo dan. Che loka gere. Lok ma chwe. Yen dan we nywa na. Dan pe ngyo ngo mo mir ki tim. Dan pe ngyo nga mo mir ki kony. Tien an empowered the ben. Romo timo Jimmy Madon adida for the community. Aya, ber ka kitika or chala did the ben. How the ben? Un konya. No one will actually think ni. Dana no kwanya chawa ne. Dana en ma initika or ni. Eno kwanya chawa ne no pere ki gena tema. What is this? What is he going to benefit from? Genma ini or NKN? We don't think. An pia ne no ngar mo manaka yang ya no ujala matimu jemne pinono si maben la tia chuli ba no gwak mati a chuli magi wa ya ko no la kemada ben iro mo jalle ya ni bitimu geno money ibichere o money ma chuli ori ye but just because ini mogola tita money gwa nyo pi something small ki kuro just a small thing di ben go cham chiena round beti a difference of aliba beach the ben go cham chiena round a difference of chile aliba rio nyoga. And in the court, no one is actually querying why you did not actually put anything for your service for doing that. But they will actually query killing Aliba Beach money. No well work mount no laka well to cargo from killing Aliba Beach to Aliba Beach Mia Beach. Now times 10 kilos, it will cost more 10,000. Sorry, like more 5,000. No one wants to understand that. Kura. Umi kar mo no mego mo ber ke peko mo. Chi dul mo community mo makaka mo. Kujogo chene. Ngaroma limia bichiel koga digini. Enong anakati kitam anawani now. Kiri jom papat kiri ma wun ber kanena mukena ma anda yare yan. Kuloke ma trace, kuloke ngagile igile. Tano do ter ya. Tingo pikita latien padane enini nyumego en ma wun tiga mero konyene ni. Kit matimu biachara, pingo peki metro me biachara ni. Waktu tuwe biachara eno ni dong pada kwa chao miurecha duju. Wachomo mer goli king latien pamego. All latien pamego ni dong mete kikelu cham nino duju piene no mere stock biachara ma enti yeni. Wekto no ki buate o ki lok mecha duju mieni ya wa mio mako. Ya wa mio chukari. Chukari ki en ki maro ko kar mo tumo. Amio tam what community. Lok mutu chwara. Le dit di ben kono en miu tam machara meru ni. En no jogo chile anti ye. En miu tam kama enu ni. Wan kadong wan wa mo tam wa mer gimono miru tim yo ti tiche dong pawala ko. Eh? O kar mo madong. Abuar awe chimpa Johnny enu ni naka ben pangyo kiragu kirega. Because I was just giving my time, like I always do. I just give my time. No one even values it. I give myself, like, do it. It's a voluntary thing. Has no monetary attachment. Going work and the ben work team gonna any. Like you need to pay me this. I don't say those. If you have what they call gratitude, you'll say yes. Maybe Ben has. The Ben deserve this. Jale no meratin. Kaka does not appreciate. Namachima don't almost 20 minutes. No one has ever sent me any money here. Just see. No single money. That tells you everything you need to know about Acholi. So, kado nero ni mo. Da biang la kabelelo. Inga agi ego ni dong. Da loko ko. Tara an, I don't give my opinion. I don't go on you know. Biang la father gi kwa kubelong cha kenen ben. Kiga buor kwana here and the rest of it. I don't even put that. Just know. Need the band did not want to do this. All of a sudden you see I switch. Just understand me. Just understand me. I really wanted to do this. Like, just to do this. The other time when I came, I want to quit. I really, really wanted to quit. Ko. A few people just, gonna, I'll pay your money and I'll pay that money and I'll pay money and just to your talker. And it's the same thing going on and on and on. Kono ni mera miet mere mi pi laga laga pe kwa. There were so many opportunities. But acquire pillar my reputation, acquire pillar my nyima mega, acquire pillar my peru chung ilagada, achala chuli kimayang bishop sholagi, achel gidan mapapat, nugi ponyo ki wana chuli. Ni actually in working in actually no chewing lagada, igak bene ya da, dak bene to ya da. That was the kind of point maka ana winyo. But yeah, we are all the time. Sha mo kene, wakanyo pin lock yo. Chia chule en kin mawun mo kene, ukude o ke konyuni. An bena kude o ke kanya. Ito me na kanya kira chule. So when I stay alive, you stay with your money. It's a win-win. Stay with your support. I raise my children. Now, for those of you who have been to my home, Ungema Bear, how I have managed to put my kids in line. You know, some of you have been to my home. You know. Latin bino, mor welo, kirka jono chuma chompo nene welo tie bino gu mor welo. Mor welo, u a weko deri o ki welo. Pa yelle, bena peki wo atata ene a kon ki riyo kon wi welo kon ngagin. Yen mon gwak gina chura ki miyo kon ki welo ki ngagin. Ena kon in lutieno rare. Igi achama kon ngagin. Gang bara pe no la ko ikinon. Welo dong welo. Welo dano ma dit guest of honor ki war one more ken. Biene moro kaki penyi itiro weng kaki tiego dong itap ini ai war cher. Moka katugo chika tugo. Moka chale bedroom wuka mano titim gwak bunu ya assignment ki ngagin war cher gi ukun. Peki nyupe ki war dano. This is something my young son do nyori na nyor bara mauno war gak war. Ini kwao cher nyim. Ki yempa choli chamo kene. Itura kwe baka oi chak man ki biene. Something I really, really never wanted to be an advocate for. I wanted us to scrap this negativity mawatikere. That's why whatever I've done in this world, in this community, has been about mindset change. Well, Father Uma, Lorloke, Ben, I don't pay you supporting. Yet get a you. Let him do whatever he wants to do now. You may see me on the internet here. Is until you come here, down, here. Then you'll actually understand me. Ask anyone. Gonna boss me, gonna bold simple man, gonna twangweno, gonna ngag you ask about the band. Not more can Eddie Wizzy, Pato Lover Boy, Kiddy Face, Janet Priska, mention them, ask them who the did the band is. Tupi Goga Flow, MC Everdy, MC Young Money, Rakas, Badman Solo, MC Lucky, anyone ask randomly who is the band. Temo Gianango, what does he do? How does he behave? Ask. Loka loko Geraduang, Chunya Shue, and I could only Jim Mukeno Party. Kadano Mugo, Mauno, Young, no Wuno Nano Gi, Maki war get to 12 chalo la didn't know at Mao, and where he is right now. Dano Mugo Maki war get to 12 Machala called Anthony, honorable. Where is he now? Yamachalo, honorable Jarm Upton Mapendus, where are they now? I'm not saying I'm doing anything similar to what they did. I will not do that. But I may just decide to. I choose to keep quiet, do my own things. Sierra poro, aturi mo akachiel mabe punge ngati time. Kodong tour to ato ge dilum kona. I don't care. Sierra pu can do it. But I thought this was bigger, like something that we can do all this together and we transform our community. So, Wakanen, what you people have to say about this? But the confused of the confused tells actually the whole story. I don't know whether Tina better look la mera mohachel. La mera ma penny man blood sister. But one particular person, well, we have always shared ideas. To Australia. She came out. Where the Ben? And Minarani. I feel ni kangar mo bikonyo la ware. Umiru kony mano fut kwa. Okay, chiku ngar mo kota like we always do here in actually. Man ko un ko ba? Hey, God forbid. I'm from here a bit loving it. God forbid. Un ko ni mo. Pilakom ter ko pilakom pilakakara. Kwany ko pa di ben no. Windong An mega mako guti achiel. Michele guti achiel. An abi yela yubo lokom kasketo. Nyokopian. Pangyo ko gibitiyo gile mene. An gwako liele ot fridge. Ana ya tiga chung ye. Lok me welfare wan obi chung obi neno dek. Mabere tie. Nana obere. Yang di ben penyo kony ka kany. No one wants to do that. No one wants to assist. No one wants to help. No one wants to support the vision. And then, chama yik no come down met. Yella the ben the one. God. The one. Oh no, lieli po gene. Liel po time. Charka no you ever do your chat. You could have done something with someone when he was still alive. You never know, you could have changed the destination. You could have actually done something to alter. That is one thing that haunts me till today. The remamo and for a no teach manyan. I was rushing. No me waring wachet pabo. Community dialogue mo. Ato piane la remani ana neno angeo ni ikit style wa melok. Ka wachiero kalok wario. When I saw her, the best thing matimo. En meng wachiero. Anego wiyo. Pamor. Little did I know she was going to the hospital. Karaman, she was scheduled for an operation, surgery. Okumu, just 2-3 hours later on, Ichama anaweyo, peamoro, chero, piana da tiga lar, chawa tij manyen, ma an foot the bend na no, medaruna chete ye, aweyo la wara, peamoro, chero rune petich. What happened? 2-3 hours later on, I received a call that she has passed on. That haunts me a lot. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy. It haunts me a lot. So now, like, that got me thinking, what if Ngachung, a law kere, Kagwanyo wajane di chere for surgery? What if Kauna law kere, you know, law tame, could have stayed strong during the surgery because of luck, mahana law, but so guys, thank you. Let me just read and I go. I know it's a bad thing. It's just a whole mess, all right. All right, Paul. Oh, sorry. God have mercy. Thank you. I know it's about the accident. And then Aquat is saying coin support. I think that's what it's saying. And then Lele Wilbert, when I'm watching now. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And Brenda is here saying, Akita Brenda, I'm watching from Namugongo. Thank you. KD Kristo, Kicha Bear, the Bear, Laho, him, me. Yeah, like, oh yes, I understand what she said. And then there is this one here from John Ojara Matigawani, Win Mabe, Latinwa, Poch Dit, Anto, Ngeni Society, Ma, Cat. Okay. Ngeni Society, Ma, Cat, Tero Karaba, Pe Kikon, Akona, and integrator, integration, a matter, document. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for saying this. Thank you. And I just want to say, guys, I really appreciate what each and every one of you has done. Okay? I really, really appreciate. I really appreciate, I hope to be back here soon. Yeah, probably. Thank you.
Acholi pikuste, merongena acholi pikuste. Acholi pitemme, merongena acholi pitemme. Acholi pikuste, merongena acholi pikuste. Acholi pitemme, merongena acholi pitemme.
Sending love to my motherland, a beautiful place in Africa. They love like a family, but please don't step out our toes now. We are the elephants.